So, if you've been thinking about grabbing a yearly plan on Base 44, I actually found a way to get a 30% Base 44 discount, and I want to show you exactly how to do it because it's a pretty solid deal. So, let me walk you through the whole process step by step. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the first link I have in the description of this video, and that's going to take you straight to the official Base 44 page. And here's the important part. You need to register with a completely new email, like an email you have not used on Base 44 before. So go ahead and click on Build Now, and it'll prompt you to register. Just make sure you're using a fresh email for this. And once you register, this is where it gets good. You're going to see this limited time welcome offer pop up that says get 30% off select yearly plans. And there's actually a timer running on it so you can see exactly how long the offer is still valid. All you got to do is click on that offer and it'll take you straight to the pricing page. Now, just to set expectations here, this discount is currently only applicable on the Builder Pro and Elite plans. It's not available on the Starter plan. So just keep that in mind when you're picking which plan works best for you. So let's say you want to go with the Builder plan. Normally that runs $40 a month, but if you switch it to yearly, it drops down to just $28 a month, which is honestly one of the better deals they offer, and it's also their most popular plan. So you just click subscribe to Builder, and then it's going to ask you whether you want monthly or yearly. And since the discount only applies to the yearly option, make sure you select yearly and then click continue to checkout. And then you'll get redirected to the Stripe checkout page. And what I love about this is the coupon is already applied automatically right there. You don't have to go hunting for a code or anything. It just shows the 30% off applied for the full year. And the total you're looking at for the builder plan for a complete year comes out to $336. Now, if you scroll down, you can fill in all your payment details on the right side. They give you a couple of options, card or bank, and I'd personally recommend going with the bank option because it gives you a $5 cash back, which is just a little extra savings on top of the 30% you're already getting. So once you fill everything in, just complete the payment and you're good to go. And that's really all there is to it. It's a pretty straightforward process and the savings are legit. And if you also want a promo code that works across all your Base 44 plans and gets you an additional 10% off, definitely check out the video appearing on your screen right now.